Hello everybody, got a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX-99V. This is for Bryan in Tennessee. Bryan, on the swap meter I got 10 watts dialed in across the top. There's 1, 4, 6, 8. I got the power turned all the way down right at the moment. See 1 watt, and I can dial it up to 10 watts. Turn my monitor down. Peak power 100 watt slug, 20, and there's 40 right there. 50 is that little line. Audio check 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 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 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 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check check 1 2 3 4. Side bend. Audio 1 2 3 4. Audio check 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 1 2 3 4. Right. Should run the antenna. Bryan 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Have a good one.